welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna open this LOL ball for you guys. And we're gonna open this LOL together. And my mommy's not here, so I'm just gonna call my mommy to if I'm done vlogging. And now I'm gonna open this now. Let's go. Oh, wait, guys. So I'm just so excited. What's this? Guys, I think we're like, Ma, help me. Can you help me, Ma? I'm trying to get this letter out. Like this. I hope you have a magnifying glass to see what is it. Mama, mo.
What do you want to say?
Guys, we're gonna open and see who's here inside here, okay? Guys, you wanna see who's inside here?
And will you guess?
Guess what is inside there? I don't know who's inside there, but my mom is gonna help you open the whole thing. Mimi, my. Wait, I get something. I see something. Wait, where's the magnifying glass? Wait. I like shoes and just. I hear that, guys. I don't know what is this plus. Can you help me? Where's the magnifying glass? Where is it? Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Help you.
Thank you, Mommy. I like vlogging here. Wait, shoes plus a dress is shoe dress. Wait, we're not done yet for the mug. Oh, wait. Oh, there's some stickers here for us to. Oh no, my face. Guys, this is it. We're gonna open it. Okay, open. Pa! Wait. We're gonna get this. Oh, what is this? I don't know what is it. Oh, look how cute. Look at the cute little shoes. So cute. And now the oh wow, like pretty jacket. What is this one? Oh, it's a sticky bottle for like drinking water. And what is the other one gonna be? I don't know. What is it? Wow, what? Oh, it's a sunglasses. And what else is it? Yeah, it's a bottle. Now it's for the LOL. Wait, no. So glittery. The glitter so. Look, what is this? What's this? Gonna get all the dolls here. Okay, let's see what's it. Wait, it's the one with some sparkly hair. Wow, like this girl. Wait, we just get like oh, we get this girl right here. It's right here. Hey, this girl! Yay! And her name is like, I don't know her name, or something like, I don't know her name. I thought I was gonna get this one, but
Snowflake.
Oh, I like her.
She is Snowflake. Snowflake.
Snowflake, it's so cute. She's so cute. Wait, what happened to her legs? Okay, we're gonna put the shoes on, guys. So wait, the shoes. One shoe. And no. One and another one. Look, guys, she's so cute with her shoes. And wait, we need to take off her shoes for a while. For her to wear a pair. My hands! No! Okay, yeah, but her like okay, let's put it in. One. And another one. Ah, no! It doesn't fit the other side. It's gonna be in her eyes. Oh no, the glasses, no. Her glasses are here, guys. But I kind of want to see her eyes for a while, so we're gonna put this on like
What's this?
That's a for
More
here.
up.
Okay.
Like a diaper.
No, it's a panty. Wait, it's not up enough. It's okay, ma. Okay, now it's time for her shoes. One shoe in. No, no. Where's the other? Wait. One shoe in, like something. Where's the other shoe? No, where's the other one? Where's the other one, guys? Wow, I like her.
Come
And now for the final touch, the glasses. Wow, she looks pretty. Oh, the horseshoes. No. Oh, mas baliktad. Guys, this is it. The final glasses one. Can you hold it?
Okay.
Okay, now to put the glasses on. Wait, her hair. She looks so cute.
Fix me yung glasses
Okay,
mo.
okay. I don't know the
Touch.
No, it's okay if we put her glasses up here. Wow, she looks so cute. She looks so cute.
I fix. May mosquito?
The final touch is so cute. Tada, this is the final touch.
What's
Now we need to feed her like something. Yes. She looks cute, but all the glitters are on the table now.
Yeah, that's why her name was Snowflakes.
Yay, Snowflakes.
You like snowflakes?
Yes.
Come here.
Bye-bye, guys. Good. Like and subscribe. Give a thumbs up for my LOL doll. Bye-bye.